Racers and spectators, fans and haters. Hey, I need to apologize to y'all out there. It's been a while and some of you have been asking, hey man, what happened? Did RPM Army disappear? Did I finally get banned from every racetrack in Ohio? Did the cameras revolt? The truth of the matter is, we've still been active, just not as much. Some of you know why, some of you don't. And honestly, that's just the nature of the beast that is social media. Almost 38,000 of you out there follow me here on YouTube, and over 30,000 follow us on Facebook. I'm sure there's some overlap, but probably way less than I think there is. So if you're over there like, man, RPM Army is everywhere, and you're over here like, did this dude fall off the face of the earth? Yeah, that's on me. Anyway, you've probably noticed we haven't been out at the track as much this summer, and there's an honest reason. I've been spending time with family, with friends, and with our newborn son. And I wouldn't trade that for anything. This isn't a sob story. It's not a retirement announcement. That's just real life happening, and it's been a good thing. But don't get it twisted. Racing's still in the blood. What has changed is how we're doing RPM Army. I had to take a step back and to be honest with myself. Hauling around a mountain of equipment, running live streams, locking myself into one spot all day, it started feeling less like fun and more like work. And if I'm not enjoying it, it shows. You feel it. The content feels forced. So, we're getting back to the basics. One video camera, one photo camera, that's it. No circus, no command center, no dragging pelican cases like I'm invading a small country. This back to basics approach will give you the quality racing content just in a way that's more sustainable and honestly, more fun for us to make. Now, here's the new part. I've got the next couple weeks off work, and I'm not disappearing, I'm doing the opposite. I'm using the time to get content together, to organize, to plan, and to actually enjoy creating again. If you've noticed, I've already restarted the live stream. That's back, and it's staying. We've also been posting almost every day to Facebook. So if you want to hear more general updates, news, behind-the-scenes stuff, go give us a follow over there. Because, I'll be honest, I forget to post to the YouTube community tab all the time. That's not strategy, that's just me being me. So no, RPM Army isn't gone. The passion for racing and motorsports hasn't gone anywhere. We're just shifting gears a little bit. Slower pace, smarter setup, more fun, more consistency. And as always, thank you for sticking with us, supporting us, and being a part of this community. If you've been here since day one, man, I really appreciate you. If you're new, welcome to the madness. More content is coming. See you at the track.